Question 16 is 3 marks. The question says, show that 4 divided by 3 root 5 plus 7 can be written in the form a minus root b, where a and b are integers. That's good. Whenever you have a surd or a square root in the denominator, you multiply by the conjugate. This is rationalizing the denominator. What's the conjugate? The conjugate is 3 root 5 minus 7. This is what we do. You multiply by the same denominator, you just change the sign. If it's plus, you make it minus. If it's minus, you make it plus. So we multiplied both by 3 root 5 minus 7. Then we expand. What's 4 times 3 root 5? 4 times 3 is 12, so it's 12 root 5. And then 4 times negative 7 is 28. Divided by. For the denominator, you can do multiply these and all, yes, but there is no need. Let me tell you the trick. For the denominator, you will just square the first one. So 3 root 5 squared. 3 squared is 9. Root 5 squared is 5. So it's 9 times 5, which is 45. So the first one is 45. And always it's minus this squared. 7 squared is 49. So you don't need to do multiply the brackets, no. Now let's simplify. 12 root 5 minus 28, we can't do anything. We'll just leave it like that for now. Divided by 45 minus 49 is minus 4. It's negative 4. Then, have you noticed we can divide everything by 4? Yes, we can. So divide everything by 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Let's divide everything by negative 4, so we get rid of the denominator. So 12 divided by negative 4 is negative 3 root 5. And negative 28 divided by negative 4 is plus 7. This is very good. Now let's look at the question. The question says, write it in the form a minus root b. So we need the number to come first. I write as equals to 7 minus 3 root 5. I just wrote the 7 first. I didn't do anything here. But then the question says, root b, there should be no number in front of the root. So this 3, we need to get rid of it. What do? We write it like this. It's equals to 7 minus, instead of 3, we write root 9, right? And then root 5. That gives you 7 minus root 9 times 5, which is 45. And that's your nice, easy peasy 3 marks.